Well, what is up, all you sun sail enthusiasts? Just wanted to take some time to show you my sick sun sail that I set up myself out on my deck this summer. Now, if any of you guys are thinking to yourself, man, I wish I had a sun sail, I want to validate those thoughts. You do wish you had a sun sail. You should totally do it, because it's actually really easy. If there was ever not a handyman, I would be that guy. I have the hardest time doing any sort of project, but this was so easy. You literally dug 4-foot holes, 4 of them, one for each corner, and stuck 16-foot 4x4s into those holes. Put a little bit of gravel and cement down in those holes, filled them in with the poles there, drilled some holes right at the top, put some hooks and turnbuckles. You can see my turnbuckles over here. Got 2 of them there, and 1 of them here. And then I just stretched out. This is a 16'x20 sun sail. And you can see that my poles are bending just a little bit. Some people will recommend 6x6s, but those are expensive. 4x4s are cheaper, and they seem to get the job done. But yeah, if you can dig 4 holes, put some poles in those holes, fill in those holes, and then just pull on stuff, you'll be able to set up a sun sail. I think the only tricky part is you have to make sure that your anchor points are further apart than the dimensions of your sun sail. I said that I have a 16'x20 sun sail, so the dimensions of my holes and my posts are 17'x21. If I had it to do over again, I actually would have gone a little bit wider so that I could pull it even tighter. But yeah, if you're thinking about getting a sun sail, you should totally do it. I hate the outdoors, but I love sitting underneath my sun sail. You guys probably like outside, you just want to get some shade. Not me though, it's brutal. That's why I put a sun sail up and #no regrets.